Hi, my name is Larry Sartain. I'm here with Howard Mann. We're the developers of Quail Meadows, a brand new subdivision in northwest Montana located between Whitefish and Kalispell in the heart of the Flathead Valley. Central location of Quail Meadows means you can get where you want to go quickly, be it for work or play, whether you're hiking in Glacier National Park, skiing at Whitefish Mountain Resort, enjoying one of our many lakes or rivers, shopping in Kalispell, or eating out in one of our great restaurants. You're truly surrounded by opportunities. We offer 3 unique single-story floor plans with attached 2-car garages, and all of our homes include appliances, complete landscaping, fencing, air conditioning, quartz countertops, water softeners, just to name a few.
With just 39 total home sites in our community, it's important to choose your location today. You'll enjoy maintained roadways, tree-lined boulevards, and a welcoming landscaped entry. All this adds to the surrounding beauty. This is your chance to live in and enjoy Northwest Montana in all its splendor. For more information, call us today at 406-871-5000 or visit our website at quailmeadowsmt.com. It's time to start your journey to living in the last best place.